Hi everyone, so like I mentioned, this tutorial is going to be very straightforward and simple. The goal of this tutorial is to teach you how to create or set up an online shop when it comes to using ShopLink. It's going to be straightforward, so you are going to learn along with me. When you visit shoplinkgh.com, the first step is to visit the website shoplinkgh.com. Once you visit shoplinkgh.com, you'll be able to see, of course, general information. I think there's a quick video here you can watch about the summary of the platform. So once you click on the video, it loads up the summary of the platform for you, so you can watch it on YouTube, as you can see. And then also tells you the basic services we offer. So get an online shop, POS, SMS marketing. As you can see in the descriptions here, these are some sample online shops that we've set up. So it tells you what you are getting. You are going to get analytics from your dashboard. You're also going to get order notification when there's an order on your system, and there is also, I think, a custom POS system that you can actually use in your shop. So there are, and then inventory and all of that. So let's log in. Let's create an account. So I'm going to assume that you are a new user and you want to learn how to create an account on the system. So you're on the top right corner, there is a menu there that you click. Once you click those three lines icon, you have home, you have login, you have create. If you already have an account, you can log in, but for the purpose of the tutorials, I'm going to start and create a new shop afresh. So you click on create. Once you click on create, it takes you to the account creation page where you can actually put your details. So username should ideally be your business name. So if your name is maybe Pharmacy One or Joey Pharmacy or something like that, or maybe let's say Equias Pharmacy or something like Body Care, something Body Care, Lucy's something. So you know what your business name is, and I think you are the best person to be able to put your business name there. So I'm just gonna assume a business name for the purpose of creating this account. This is like a temporary account that I'll be closing after. So let's say the business name is called Joey's I don't want to even use my name, so I'll just say Beauty Bay. Let's say the business name is Beauty Bay, right? So we are going to assume we are selling like beauty products online. All right, Beauty Bay. Okay, and you can also set up an email. So you need an email address that you'll be requiring to use to create your account. So I can say my email address is beautybay@gmail.com, right? So you will have to set up an email address for your business. Okay, so once you have your email address put there, you can also put your contact. Now your contact here is very important because it should be an active number. Okay, a number that people can reach out to you when they try to call you or when they try to like reach you. So put an active contact there. And then once you do that, you put in your password. Of course, your password should be known to only you. Okay, your password should be known to only you. Now, once you have all these details, your business name, your email address, your contact, and then your password, you click on register account, and the moment you register account, it tells you are now registered. Congratulations, you've just created an account on ShopLink. It's that easy. Now here's the issue: you cannot log in because we restrict logins that are not activated or that are not approved from us. This is to prevent random people from just going onto the system to set up an online shop with ulterior motives, probably. So we want all shops that are set up on our system to be legit and approved and verified, real business owners or real people doing business, so that not anybody at all can just go and set up an online shop then begin to do whatever they want if their intention is to actually scam people, for example. So I'll quickly go and activate this account that I have created, and once your account is activated, you are ready to set up. So for people who have businesses and are looking for ways to set up a business for their a shop for their business, if you create an account, the best thing is to reach out to us. Our contact will be displayed, and then we will just make sure we verify that you are a legit business owner, go through the protocols, and then make sure like you set up your shop online. So it's very easy. All right, so this account has been successfully activated. Once this account has been successfully activated, I can go to the login, the new account that we just created. I can go to the login and then put that details inside, right? So it's beautybay@gmail.com, and then we'll put in our password and then we log in. Now once you log in, voila, it will tell you successfully logged in. All you are seeing in front of you is a blank page, so there is nothing there. You are also seeing some menus on the left. We'll visit these menus shortly to tell you what each of these menus does, and you can see some blue icons also listed over there. Now, where do you start from? Okay, the first thing is to start from the icons that are listed here, because these icons are to help you set up your shop. Basically, that's what they do. Now, if you look at the top here, your navigation bar is very white. So if your brand color is white and you want to just keep the navigation bar white, then you don't have to do anything to the navigation bar. Okay, but if maybe my brand color is black and white and I want to merge black and white in a very nice way, I can quickly come to the last icon that says nav and click on nav. So now on nav, I can be able to specify the color codes I want to see in my navigation bar. And so this is an opportunity for you to brand your business. If your business colors are yellow, gold, you can play with the hex colors of those brands over here. So for example, I want to have a hex color for, you can quickly search for the hex color for hex code for black, right? This is something you can easily search online for your brand code. Okay, so if you want a black color, you know the hex code is #000, right? So you can search for any color at all. I think there are color codes that gives you like different colors, so for you to see, you can see this is white, this is black, this is gray, this is red, this is blue. So you can play with the scale and see which color code works for your brand. So you put your color code there. So I am using black, and I think I'm gonna be using white, okay, because my brand colors are black and white. So I can just quickly select white from here. You can see white over here. Okay, you can also, I think, use I think there is a way where you can actually play with the shades of black, or you can play with the code and then see or upload your brand logo or your brand item and then see what color code works well. Get the hex code and put it here. So usually you only need 2 hex codes. One of the hex codes is for the left part of the nav bar, and then the other one is for the right part, but then it's a gradient, so you have to specify an angle. So a gradient means that we are going to merge this hex code in a very beautiful way. So maybe I specify an angle of 120 degrees. Usually 120 degrees works. If you can do 80 or you can do 180, depending on how you want to set up your hex code. Once you click on update, see what's going to happen. You can see that my navigation bar is now bearing these hex code features I've put here. So you can put any different hex code you want. So you can customize it according to the way you want your brand to look. There are different hex codes. I think I can quickly show you other shop links and see what hex code they have used. So you can create that power. So you can create that nice looking sort of system. So I think this has the same hex code. Let me search something else. All right, so you can see their navigation bar starts from white and goes into red. That is how they want their brand to look like. So you can specify the hex code you are looking for, right, to make things look easier for you. Okay, so now that you have updated your hex code to the brand colors, I told you my brand color is black and then a touch of white, right? The next thing is, of course, you can see on the navigation bar there is a label, but the label has not been uploaded or updated, so you have to update that label. And then also on the far right there is a logo, but it's bearing automatically the softcode logo. Of course, this system is built by softcode, so the softcode logo, so you have to update that logo also. How do you do that? You click on displays. Okay, once you click on displays, it gives you the ability to upload all the displays that you need onto the system. So first of all, I want to upload the logo, and I also want to upload the text image, that is the image on the navigation bar, on the far left of the navigation bar. How do I do that? I just click on, first of all, logo, choose file. So I can quickly go into my downloads and grab a logo, right? So maybe this is the logo I want to use, right? You can create this logo or these items all in Adobe or any of your content creation platforms like you use, maybe Canva, Visme, all these third-party, Photoshop. You can use all these things to create these logos, right? Okay, so you upload your logo, and then your text image. Your text image is very unique because just like a specified file, let me show you how the text image looks like. It's a very small file, so it's kind of like a very small file. I'll open it for you to see how the text image looks like. So once you save changes, once you open, you're able to save changes. And the cool thing is like giving you the dimensions of these items. Of course, we all know that the logo, of course, has to be very small, but then if you look at the text image, it's telling you the dimension is actually 120 by 25, or you can do 240 by 40. You can double this. So even giving you the dimensions, the preferred dimensions of the things you are supposed to upload, that will make it look nicer. Okay, so once you save changes, you realize that it will accept the change, and then you will see the items you've uploaded. So if you can see the top right corner here, you can see your logo over there, and on the left you can also see the shop link or your business name or your business brand name, which image that you uploaded there. Okay, so it's a text image. So for example, other businesses can design their own differently. So I'll show you quickly a different business and what they have put over there for their own. So if you look at, for example, this business here, they have a different text logo, right? So you can see the logo here is different. The text logo, you can see here it says Abirax, right at the top here. It says Abirax Ventures. Okay, so different business logo. So you can design it according to your brand. ShopLink is to give you the opportunity to put your brand out there, so you have the power to do that. Now, once you've uploaded your navigation bar, your text logo, and then your logo, and your navigation bar is all set, the next thing is your banners. So the banners are the things that the big designs that you want your clients to see when they visit your landing page or your shop page, or when they click on your shop link. So how do you update that banner? Every business can upload up to 3 banners. So you click again on display. You can see here update banner. It gives you a recommended dimension, but if you have a design that works well for you, you can upload that. So I'm going to quickly upload the 3 banners of the brand. So the first banner, I'll choose my file. I think I already have some banners over here, so I'll quickly go ahead and then work with those banners, right? So you can also design your banner the way you want it to look like. If you want your banner to bear the brand qualities, or maybe promo or some smiley, somebody smiley and holding any one of your products or something like that, something that would arouse interest in your visitors and make sure that what they are looking at is actually valuable or has a sense of quality in it. So once you upload your banners, you can see that your banners are quickly up and live, so you can see the different banners that you've quickly just uploaded. Wow, so you just created a whole, you started from a blank page, as you can see when we started, and now you have a shop that is coming to life. You are breathing life into the shop, you are giving it life. All right, so you've done your navigation bar, you've uploaded your banner. What is next? Well, when you are going to upload products, which we'll be looking at quickly, you need to also create the categories for the products you sell. So some businesses sell like different categories of product. Let's say if you are selling creams like this, maybe you have facial body creams, you have hair creams, you have different categories of creams. So a category, of course, I'm sure you know what categories are. So you can create categories for the brand, different categories. So you can quickly click on the third icon, which is category. And then once you click on category, you should be able to create the category. So maybe I'm selling creams, so maybe I'll start with facial cream. Okay, I'll quickly create a category for facial creams. All right, and then that's all you need to do, and click on add. Now once you add that category, what you notice is that when you come to search by categories, that category becomes very live. So you can see facial creams over here. Okay, now let me add one more category, maybe body soap or something like that. Okay, so I've just added 2 categories. Okay, you can create as many categories as your business demands. Okay, now we have 2 categories live here. We have body soap and we have facial creams. Okay, remember we are building a beauty brand. Now if you are building a bookstore, or you are building a pharmacy shop, or you are building different kind of a restaurant, the categories will vary, right, based on the offering of the business. Now once you have done with that, that is it. The next step you can go forward to is to go and upload your products. Okay, so you can quickly click on products. When you click on product, you know that it's blank. It's actually a new shop, so there is no product on that shop. So we can quickly click on add product, and then we can add the product we are adding. So the first product we are going to add is actually a cream. We call it Holy Cream, maybe Holy Cream or something like that. I don't know why that name came to me, but it's just a name. Okay, we are just creating a dummy shop anyways, an example. All right, now what does the barcode mean? The barcode is just like, for example, if there is a way you've labeled your product in the shop, you can put individual product barcode there, and of course each barcode has to be unique. That is what it means. But even if you don't have a labeling, or you don't have a special way you label your items in your shop or your product, you can just start with number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, like that, as in when you are uploading the product. So the first product we are uploading will be number 1, then the second product we are uploading will be number 2, then the third product will be number 4. But if you have a special way you have labeled your product, you can put the code in there, but just make sure that each code you are putting in the system is unique. That's all. The quantity, it's of course how many of these products pieces you have available. So maybe this is Holy Cream, I have 100 pieces in stock, so I put it there. The price, okay, this is going for 350 cedis. In fact, Holy Creams are very expensive. It's just a joke, don't mind me. And then the product category, so this is where you select the category for the product. So remember, we were creating facial cream and body soap as categories, right? So now this Holy Cream is a facial cream. Okay, so it falls under that category. And then the last part, the second to last part, is you choose the image. So maybe I have 3 different images of the same product. Okay, so I can showcase those products like 3 angles. So you can upload up to 3 images per product. So maybe this is the first one, and I also want to put the second one, and then a third one, right? And then a third one. So you can upload up to 3 images per product. Now availability, is it out of stock? If it is out of stock, you can have a product on your system, but it will be there as out of stock. Whenever you restock, you change the settings to available or new, sale or new. Now is it sale means that the product has been on sale for a while, and new means it's a fresh out of bag kind of product. Right, so maybe this has been on sale for a while, so I select sale. And then of course the almighty product description, where you summarize the details about the product. Okay, so maybe if you have, like, let's say descriptions, how they should use it, how they should not use it, all of this product description. You know what a product description is by now if you are a business owner, or you are trying to set up a shop for your business. All right, so okay, so you save changes, right? So once you save changes and you've put in all the right details of the product, now see what's gonna happen. It tells you that the product has been uploaded successfully. You can see the Holy Cream appears here, the barcode, the quantity, the price, the category. Now if I made a mistake, okay, when I was uploading the product, I can quickly click on the edit button and change any of these quantities here. Maybe Holy Cream soft, right? Maybe for soft body, right? And maybe I actually want to change the price to 360. So I change the price. If I want to change any of the images, I can still re-upload a new image and then update. If I update again, you see that it has reflected here as Holy Cream soft, and the price has also been changed here. All right, if I don't want this product in the system, I can click on delete and delete it. Just click on delete and delete it out of the system. So congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your first product to the system. So let's add one more product and then we can quickly continue. Maybe the next thing I want to add is actually a soap. So maybe hand soap. All right, maybe it's a hand soap that I want to upload. So remember, I told you that the barcode need to be unique. The first one we uploaded as number 1, so the second one will be number 2, the third one will be number 3. That way you don't have to, you can't put number 1. If you put number 1 here and you already had a product now that is uploaded as number 1 barcode, it will not accept it, because the barcodes have to be unique based on the way you label your products in your shop. Now the quantity that I have in the shop is 40 pieces. I have 40 pieces of this product. The price of this product is 500 cedis, and then it falls under body soap, right? This is a different category, and then I can upload that product. I can choose that product and then upload it. So this is my soap that I was talking about, and then I can again upload 3 different images of the same product, right? I can upload 3 different images of the same product. That's the power of ShopLink, to give you the option to be flexible with your product. And this is a new product, and then maybe I can put the description here. So you can copy the description. It doesn't have to be too long. The descriptions are supposed to be very concise and giving detailed information about the product, but very short. I think there is a cutoff limit if you over type it to cut off the text or something like that. Okay, so it has to be short. Maybe 1 paragraph is enough. Okay, put in the description there. You can copy the general descriptions like bullet points and put it there and paste it there, and then save changes. Once you save changes, it will tell you that this product has also been uploaded. So you can see this product has been uploaded successfully. Now you have 2 products uploaded, so you can upload as many products as you want to upload as time goes on. And now this is a time-taking process, so as in when you have the products in stock, then you upload it into your system or onto your shop. Now that you've uploaded products, you can quickly go back to my shop, and you can see that your shop is now bearing all the things you are doing. So you can quickly see that now you have your navigation bar, you have your banner, you have your products listed here beautifully. Now this is what you are seeing, right? Now the question is, this is your dashboard, this is not your storefront. Okay, this is your personal dashboard where you can come here and then do changes and do stuff about your own shop. So these are the pictures we uploaded, right? The 3 pictures, different pictures we uploaded. All right, so the question is, how do you share this beautiful shop for somebody to visit and maybe purchase an item or purchase a product? Before you do that, you need to activate the shop. So the shop activation process happens with a series of things you need to do. On the left, you can see here profile. So quickly click on profile. And when you see profile here, it means most of the things you need to provide for the system to start using is blank. It's like it's not there. So you click on update profile, and then first of all, your business name is there. Your email is already given to us when you were creating an account, your contact. Now your WhatsApp number. The reason why we have contact and WhatsApp number is that some businesses have different SMS or call line than a WhatsApp number. So maybe if you have a WhatsApp number dedicated for business, you can put it there. In my case, my WhatsApp number is the same as my call number, so there's no need for me to put a different number over here. But in your case, you can change the number. Now Paystack, let's talk about Paystack. So Paystack, where it says update Paystack is a payment gateway that allows you to accept payments online for your business. So you can create an account from Paystack. Okay, go visit their website. There is a separate, I think, YouTube tutorial on how to create a Paystack account. Well, that is not part of this tutorial. This tutorial is actually focused on ShopLink. So you can create a free account, submit documents for your business, and make sure that your documents are approved. And once your documents are approved, Paystack will give you a public key. Okay, we work with the public key. So you put that public key on your account. Okay, so quickly update your public key. Okay, a key that looks something like this. Okay, it's a key that looks something like this. It's a long key that will be given to you once your Paystack account is approved. Well, if you need extra help with creating a Paystack account to receive payments like Momo, from credit card, international payments, and all of that, we can assist you in setting up your Paystack account. Now, the payment method on your ShopLink, do you want it to be online? Do you want customers to only pay you online, or do cash on delivery, or do both? If you want customers to only pay you online, then you select online. Means that when the customer adds products to cart, they can only complete the order if they do the payment online. If they select cash on delivery, it means that they can place the order and then you can give them, they can pay you as the rider gets there or the product is delivered to them. But if you want both options to be there, where you want your shop to be flexible for those who have means to pay online can pay online. Those who want to do cash on delivery can do cash on delivery, and can do both. So you select both. In this example, I'll select both, so you see how both works. Now the SMS is actually a way of notifying you when there is an order on your shop. For example, we notify you via 3 channels: push bullet, email, and SMS. Now for some reason people may not be connected, so we know that SMS is like you don't need internet, so it just works with your USSD, your data USSD, and it comes through. Now with SMS, you need to have, that's why we ask for your active contact over here, so that we can send an SMS to that number. But then there are businesses who have high volumes of orders. So businesses who have high volumes of orders per day, you know that, oh okay, I receive a lot of volumes of orders. You can quickly visit Bulk SMS Ghana. Okay, and like this, all this, if you need help setting up all these systems, we can be of use to you. Then you just click let's get started and create an account. Once you log in, you create an account, you get a key that you can copy from this third-party SMS service provider, and then be able to use it in your shop link. So how do you do it? You quickly just come to your shop link profile and copy that key and put it there, right? All right, so a key looks something similar to this. Okay, so you put that key, this key here. So this is just for testing purposes. All these accounts are for testing purposes and will be deactivated later. So you can copy this key as you are seeing here and use it to try and test the system. Okay, but this is not reliable because it will be deactivated later. This is for testing purposes. Now the sender ID. The sender ID is when you receive an SMS, it comes with a name. Okay, either MTN Ghana or Shoplink Ghana or something like that. So you have to, when you create your SMS with Bulk SMS, you have to create a sender ID and put that sender ID here. So a sender ID associated with this key is actually called Shoplink. Okay, so it means that when an SMS comes or you place an order from this shop, the message will be coming and it will be the header or the bearer name of the message will be Shoplink. Okay, instead of MTN Ghana or any other company. So once you set up your account and everything is good, you can put your shop link, your business name. So maybe it's Beauty Bay or something like that, right? Now, Push Bullet is a third-party app that you can download from Android Play Store. That's for Android users, right? You can download this app, create an account. That's all. We can also help you set it up. Okay, so that is also to notify you when there's a new order. Okay, but I think if you have SMS and an email notification, that's enough. But if you want to be actively walking about with your phone and like have a third-party authentic app that actually, a third-party app that actually notifies you when there is an order, then you can quickly basically put your Push Bullet. So to get a Push Bullet account, you can quickly go to Push Bullet, and you can quickly Google Push Bullet. And once you Google Push Bullet, it's basically three-party state. So you can connect it to your laptop, you can connect it to your mobile phone, or you need to sign in with a Google account and copy your key. All right, so it works for Android, Chrome, Firefox, and Windows machines. So it gives you notification, one of the fastest notifications ever. Very fast, and once an order comes to your shop, you receive the notification quickly. So these are the 3 ways you can actually get. So this is an example of a Push Bullet key and how it looks like. Again, this key is for testing purposes. Now the currency. So let's say you are not in Ghana but you're in another country, you can put the currency there. But if you're in Ghana, you can just do GHS, okay, or put the CD sign over there. But GHS is just enough. If you are in the US, maybe you do USD or something like that, or the dollar sign. Now, discount percentage, what does it mean? Some businesses want to have special promotions at special times. So maybe on every Wednesday you put a discount of 10% on all online sales. So whenever you apply this discount over here, it applies to the entire items on the shop. So you can quickly come here and change it if you don't want to apply any discount. If you don't want to apply any discount, you put 0. If you want to give all the items for free, it means you have to put 100% discount, right? If you want to give it half for free, then you put 50% discount. But I am not giving any discounts today, so I put 0 over there. Means that all the items on the shop are going to go for their original price. If tomorrow I want to run a special promo on the shop that all online orders come with a special discount, then I can put 10%, which will apply to all the products that I've uploaded to the system. So I have saved that. So once you go through this process and you have filled up all this information over here, your shop is ready. So you can quickly see that once you update, it generates a shop link for you. So this is your shop link, what we call the shop link. Okay, either of this link will lead you to the shop. Okay, either of this link will lead you to the same shop. However, we expect people to use the name link because that one is optimized by Google. So when the more people visit that shop, your brand is now tagged by Google and people can easily find your business online or a link to your shop online. So congratulations, you've successfully set up your shop link, and those are the main things. So now that we've set up a shop link, let's copy this link and share it with a friend or share it with somebody to interact with the shop we just built, right? So I'll quickly log out of this account. Let me log out of this account. So I've quickly logged out of the account, and I'm going to quickly other ways you can come here and find a shop. The shop we built was Beauty Bay, so you can come here and search Beauty Bay and you can see Beauty Bay is here now, part of the shop link. But then let's quickly just paste the shop link into the system. So this is the link I copied, and then see what will happen. So you can see that, wow, our shop is live, right? This is the shop we just built. Okay, so anybody at all can visit that shop. Okay, our Beauty Bay shop is live. So you can see our Beauty Bay shop is what is live. Now you can see the product we uploaded. These are the two products we uploaded, the hand soap and the Holy Cream Soft, right? Now you can set users. So this is basically the shop you have built. This is basically how users are going to be interacting with your shop. They can search product by categories, they can search by name. Okay, so if they type hand, you can see hand appears there. If they type Holy, you can see the Holy Cream appears there, right? So this is basically like how they're going to be searching products. So you can have many products listed. Okay, many products listed, and these products are going to be what searched or easily accessed by customers online. So let's say a customer comes to your shop and they are interested in the hand soap or something like that. So you can quickly go through and browse the different products pictures. They can also read the description. All right, the description will appear here. If I'm interested in this product, I can quickly click on add to cart, right? Or you can quickly come here and add to cart. So the quantity I'm looking for, maybe I'm looking for just 2 of these products, and I'll add to cart. Okay, now once I add the item to cart, so I'm basically telling you how customers can place an order. Okay, after you've set up or shared the shop link with them, I can quickly click on go to cart, and I can see the item that I've added to cart. If I made a mistake when I was adding the item, or if a customer make a mistake, they can update the quantity. So maybe I just want 1 and I mistakenly selected 2, so I submit. The quantity will be updated back to 1 and it will recalculate the price for me. If I want to delete this product, I can click on delete and delete it. All right, so now I've added an item to cart as a buyer. I can put my details over there, right? My phone number, okay, my email address. The email address basically is to send a notification to the customer with the link of their invoice to, or their order invoice. The SMS the contact to is to receive an SMS after you've placed your order with a link to print out your invoice. And the location, so maybe I'm in Accra. Okay, Accra Mall. So it works with Google, so you can select Achimota Mall. The moment you type, you know how Google works, so the Google location works here. And then you can also put the size and color or the preferences if you have any special comments about your order. Okay, if it is food, maybe you like it spicy. If it is clothing, maybe you like color blue, color black, color red, which all these things are already in the product description anyways before you are buying them. So if you have any special comment, I can say call me when you get there. If it is food shop that I was building, or if it's a food shop that I'm ordering from, I was like, I like it spicy, right? I like it spicy. All right, so then you submit. The moment you submit, you are not done yet. Okay, you are not done yet. You just updated your details. So you can see that now you have two options here to complete your order. You have pay online or pay cash on delivery, right? When you click pay online, you cash on delivery. So once you click on pay online, it will be able to start the gateway for you. So once it starts the payment gateway for you, you can actually basically put your Momo number, select your provider, whether it's MTN, Airtel, Tigo, or Telecel. But this will only work if you put your Paystack public key here and your card. So for example, you can pay by card if you are using a credit card or something like that. So these are the general payments, of course, that you can accept on your shop. All right, this is a test, so I'm not going to spend money here. All right, but I want to do pay by cash on delivery, so I can click on cash on delivery, and the moment I click on cash on delivery, it will tell me that order successful. You see, once your order is successful, it tell you order successful, and you'll be contacted with shop details in. And I've also received an SMS as a shop owner from the system that a new order has come onto the system. So now that the SMS has been received and that a new order has come into the system, how do we access that order, right? So as a business owner, of course, you need to log into your system, log into back into your shop as a shop owner with the details that you created your account with. I think this is called Beauty Bay, and then I think you have to log in with your password also. Passwords are very important. Don't forget your password. Okay, don't forget your password. Now once you log in into the shop, you have menus on the left hand. So let's talk about each of these menus over here. Dashboard. When you click on dashboard, it tells you how many orders that have come. So you can see we only placed one order today, and we are seeing how much we earned and how many orders came in the system. Now you also have, as time goes on, we build statistics and like analytics on your daily earnings, so you see your graphs and stuff appearing over here. The performing products, this is a product we just sold, okay, so you and how much we sold it for, and then the locations are like which locations are actually the most places that people are ordering from, and of course the data about the order right now. So that is what the dashboard gives you. Now when you come to orders, click on orders and manage order. That is where you see all the new orders that have come in the system. If they paid you online and they paid online with and you receive the Momo money through Paystack, then it means that it will come as payment success, and it will give you a reference, okay, a payment reference, okay, associated with the order. So like when you pay, there's a reference that comes with the payment. You see that reference over here to prove that it's actually this customer who paid you. And also you can also now view what items the person has ordered. So now to view the order, you can click on the printer to print the order invoice. Okay, so you can quickly print the order invoice, and then once you generate the order invoice, to download a PDF file for you. So if you have a printer in your shop, you can quickly print that up. Okay, you can quickly print that up, and as you can see, this is how an order invoice looks like. So Beauty Bay Store is an official receipt, is a customer name, and then it gives you also the customer contact, the location of the customer, the date the order was placed, the item that was bought. So you can see that the item that was bought will be displayed here, the total amount, and then you can deliver to the customer wherever they are. So the customer also will receive a link to download a copy of this invoice. So both the customer and the business owner have the same invoice pretty much. Now once you've done that, if you're in your shop and you have a printer, you can print this invoice out for the customer. Now if, for example, the customer calls you back and says, oh, I actually needed something more, you can quickly come here and then update the order by clicking that blue edit icon. So maybe they wanted to add a body cream. Okay, you can add body cream. I think we did facial cream, right? Did we have any cream here? Holy cream. Sorry, holy cream. So once you search the item name, it will give you the name of the item, and the last end is a code. So this is the code that you are going to use to access the barcode of the item that you are going to put in here. So you can click on the green to add new, and then the code for that one was 1, right? I think 1. So once you enter the code, it will pull out the holy cream for you. Okay, if there's another item, more items you have, and the customer want to add those to their system. You can edit the order by putting it there. All right, so like I was saying, this is the order. So you can quickly also edit an order or make changes. If for some reason you're having any issues with editing or changing order, you can contact us and then we can get that done for you. Or you can quickly place a new order or delete this one, depending on which one works for your business. Now, if for example you actually have the opportunity to actually insert order from the shop, so this is an order that came from online, but maybe if you're in your shop and somebody comes to the shop and they want to buy a product, you can go to make order. So it means you are making that order in the shop. You can select the item. Maybe the person is selecting a body cream, a cream or something like that. Okay, right. You can see there is the code is number 1. So that's all you need. You enter number 1 into the system and hit enter. And then maybe you want another more. You can enter, or you can change the quantity they are looking for, right? And then that is the amount, the customer's first name, and the number of the customer. You put it there. Okay. All right, then you insert. So if you insert it, you tell you item details saved. What will happen is that when you come to your orders, okay, and you click on manage order, you can quickly see that this is the new item you entered in the shop, and payment is none because your channel you used was the POS, it was not an online order. Now, if for example the customer is still in the shop and you want to charge them, or you want them to send a prompt for them to pay online, you can quickly, since your account is already linked to Paystack and you want all your money to be going through Paystack for accountability or something like that, you can quickly click on the dollar bill, the cash sign, and then charge the customer that money. So that you can put the customer's number, or the customer can put their credit card details here, but mostly Momo. So you can put the customer's number, select the provider, and then once the customer approves the payment, the money goes into you, the business owners, your account. So that is how you basically charge a person in the shop. So these are in-shop operations when you are using the shop link, right? Now that has been said, we can quickly go back to our dashboard to see how much sales we've done. So you can see there are 2 daily orders that have come, and then we can also see our product that is rising. We can see the locations that are being ordered from, right? And then we can also see the data over here. Now with the data, let's quickly go to the data. The data is very important because once you go to where the data is, which is the manage order side, you have data about the business. So day in, day out, as more orders are coming to your shop, you are seeing that, oh, okay, there are more orders. So these are my customers. So instead, the system is keeping data on all the customers. So you can later copy this, download this data as a PDF, Excel, as an Excel file or a PDF file. You can quickly click Excel and you see what I'm talking about. The moment you click Excel, you can see that you can export this data as an Excel file, and then you can see when you click on it, it will open the data for you. So you can quickly organize this data and send a bulk SMS to your customers and say thank you for buying from us this month. It's a way of building customer relationship. And also you can also use this data for like further analysis, or if you want to do any extra analytics that you are interested in doing. So I don't know why it's taking a while. So you can see the SMS, the Excel file with the customer name and then the details, right? So if you want to do Excel analysis and do like further analysis beyond what we provide for you at ShopLink, then you can quickly, but you won't really need this. The only time you would need to export data is when, for example, your boss is asking for it, or maybe you want to use it to send a bulk SMS, and you can only copy just this part, right? Just the name and the contact column, and then send the SMS to the customers to thank them for their patronage. So that is it for the admin side and managing shop. I think those are the key things that you need to know on how to use ShopLink effectively for your business, to keep data for your business, to list your product, and then be able to successfully place order online. So that being said, I think we are almost coming to the end of our tutorial, and I hope you have learned a lot in this session, and will continue to use this platform to grow your business if you are a business owner. Now ShopLink is not actually entirely for free. We make it affordable, so you can see that, I mean, we are giving you value for your money upfront, and then if you want to integrate payment system and all other advanced features, start from 1,000 Ghana cedis and above, so per year. So that is the value we are offering you at ShopLink. We hope this tutorial is a good tutorial that will set you up in the right path and get you running your business online. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.